19. The second bill is the Universities Amendment Bill of 2021. In those two instances, in respect of those two bills, Speaker Muturi, having assessed the enormity of the proposed amendments and the likelihood of them changing fundamentally the character of the original bill, and bearing in mind the requirements and the dictates of Article 118 of the Constitution on public participation, buttressed by Standing Order 127.3, did direct that the bills not only be harmonized but actually be republished before the House could transact them. Mr. Speaker, in the same vein, I want to plead with you, because 30th of June is still too far away, Mr. Speaker. The House can find a mechanism of navigating through this process, but we cannot circumvent a very cardinal process, a very cardinal principle in the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which is public participation under Article 118, Mr. Speaker. By simply rushing through this process, Mr. Speaker, it is my submission that this bill requires not only a harmonization process, but actually requires to be republished, having so that the public can be given adequate time and opportunity to participate. Mr. Speaker, I submit. Thank you.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and may thank the